Hold up. I'm trying to eat my breakfast and do this video real quick, because once I lay down, I'm not going to get up. But, what's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. It's your boy, Little Roy. There's been a long awaited video because I've been waiting for the package to get here for like longer than expected. But either way, this sneaker sold already. Maybe I should have held it longer because the price probably going to go up. But I need some money back. So, your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, is here. I'm back with another video. You see the title, you see what we're about to go over. So, let's get right into it real quick. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Free giveaway at 1K subs. So, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As well as, ladies, hit my DM on Instagram. I'm always available. And comment whatever you guys want. Because, you know, or if you don't know, if you're new here, I respond to all my comments. So, comment below, like this video, share this video. Share the channel. Let's get more people to join the squad. We're on our way to 300 subs. Once we hit that, on the way to 500, and so on and so on. But the main goal is to hit 1K. So let's get right into it. No more time being wasted. So off rip, if you guys check my channel like a couple months back, I hit the undefeated pack, the other ones, the other dunks. So you guys already know I was going for the dunks, but this time around the Air Force Ones was actually going for profit, but I panicked and didn't really check. So of course, you know, we're gonna go after the dunks first off. So you see the logo, so Undefeated website, it's a size 10. I don't know if you guys can see the glare, but yeah, size 10. And then besides the Undefeated logo, you got the Undefeated logo with the Nike there, and the Nike by itself right there. So you guys see the box, the Dunk versus Air Force One pack, whatever. It's not really a pack because it doesn't come together, but you get what you get what I mean. So let's take the shoe out. Of course, you guys know it comes with that Dunk Air Force One paper. Let's unfold it. Wow. So I did see it when I opened it before, but I'm actually checking it out for the first time because I just wanted to look at it. This shoe is definitely interesting. So hold on, let me take out the other one, because we're definitely gonna do a thumbnail and all that good stuff. First things first on the realist, but yeah, it comes with extra laces. The white ain't like creamy, I don't know what color that is, like a beige to match the bottoms, I guess, because you guys can see this color a little bit is the same color as this. So let's do the quick thumbnail. Boom. So definitely got so much added details to this shoe compared to the other, you know, Dunk versus Air Force One. But this is a size 10. Like I said, it comes with extra laces. I don't really know the history behind it, but it doesn't matter. The point is, I'm just trying to absorb this whole shoe myself. It has so much details. If you think about it, it's literally just a blue and purple shoe. Like this gray swoosh. That's gray, by the way, in case you don't know. It's not white, it's gray. Only thing white silver kind of is basically the Nike stitching and the Undefeated stitching right there. The logo. But the snake skin on here is fire. I actually like that. If the snake skin was the whole shoe like this in purple, that would be so fire. But geez, let me know if you guys like these compared to the other Undefeated dunks. Dunk Air Force One versus Air Force Ones. The last drop they had. Which, I like these better. Definitely because the snake skin stands out more. Nice little purple inside. The bottom is purple as well. Let me know if you guys got these. Let me know if you even knew about them. Did you take an L on them? I know this is kind of early, but it's only for the Undefeated people that hit on their website. I know they came out recently on Nike. I didn't even go for it because I literally forgot to. I was doing other stuff, trying to buy multiple stuff. So even in that one time, that 10 minutes draw did not help me. But yeah, this is so detailish. I know the lighting is pretty low right now, but yeah, it's because the light is not like getting bright right now. I don't know. But let me just get right into the shoe and this part. The tongue is like those the zooms on Nike Nike like Jordan 1 zooms. Look at it, got like the funny tongue. It's not just typical tongue. See what I'm saying? And got that foam part inside like a zoom. So I don't know what was the reason for the different type of tongue. But definitely the tongue is not too bad on here. Look at it, it was like flappy, but it doesn't look too weird that it's like the zoom is so big. You know, if you have a Jordan 1 zoom, you could compare, you'll know what I'm talking about. But inside it got the Dunk vs Air Force 1 stitching inside. Let's take this, let me see. Yeah, you can see it better. It's like upside down, whatever, I don't know, can't really tell from my angle, but yeah, you can see it in there. Size 10 as well. It does smell like it's not Nike, like it comes from other warehouses from different brands. But definitely they said the price may go up on these because a lot of people do like these for personal, which is cool. Like, would I wear it? I mean, I would. Like, if someone gave this to me for free and said, hey, it's your size 8.5, this is not my size, so this makes it better for me to sell. Yeah. Yeah, if someone gave this to me as a free gift, 8.5, maybe I'll wear it. Actually, for the first time getting something that I want for sale, would I wear it? For 2 reasons. Not really because the dark purple, that, you know, obviously my second favorite color is purple. You can see my room. But I really like the snakeskin. Really like this snakeskin. I don't know why Jordan doesn't use this for something. I don't know. But definitely. You can see the snakeskin. I really like that. To not make it white, you make it this type of color, so it's like can't really get too dirty, or if it's supposed to get dirty, it won't like mess up the sneaker as bad. But definitely this sneaker is a nice sneaker. So whoever copped the size 10 off of me, your size 10 is right here in the video, and it's on its way. Not really on its way, but you get what I mean. It'll be on this way very soon, probably tomorrow or something. But either way, it's right here. Boom. What else details that are really to show? Not really much, but that's it for this video. Like I said, if you're new here, subscribe. 1K subs, doing a free giveaway. Comment below. I respond to all my comments, so let me know what you guys think about these. Are these better than the last undefeated dunks they dropped on their website? Well, it's public now because it dropped on Nike, but like I said, do you like these better than the last ones? Because the last ones underratedly got love, but now this been getting love even before people even got them in hand, or they just like the colorway. But definitely this blue purple is fire. It's cool, calm, collective. I like the little gray swoosh, and it's not white. Like, this shoe is not made to get, like, it can't get dirty, but this part, the cream, like whatever part, this cream, beige, whatever type of color, is made to look like it's dirty, but it's not. So it's like, this is a nice sneaker. Definitely a nice sneaker. And yeah, shout out to Undefeated and Nike for this collab, because this is fire. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about these. And let's like the video. And like I said, make sure you subscribe. And ladies, hit my DM on Instagram. My main channel and my Instagram will be linked down below in the description, so go click that and check that out. And yeah, ladies, hit me up. Yeah, now I'm about to go eat my breakfast, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out, and I'll see y'all on the flip side.